Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Firstly, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, use this square button. Now click on this little icon at the top right corner. And as you can see, after that I can use my app in the tiny window. If you want to move it around, hold the top line and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to and let go. In order to change size of your window, hold one of its corners and scale it. When you find the perfect size, let go. You can also use your app overlay the other one by tapping on the other one and using both. To go back, tap on Home button. Then to access your window, click on the bubble. Now, if you want to use this app in full screen view right away, hold the lower line and drag it all the way down. Now, let go. If you want to close it instead, hold the same one, but this time drag it up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!